This is Jeannie Linky Northrup here at SupplySide West for Nutritional Outlook. I'm over here at the Gnosis by Lesaffre booth with our General Manager, Marc Philouze. Marc, thanks so much for your time this morning. I know you have a very busy day ahead, but I really appreciate you having a chance to talk with us.
Absolutely. Well, we're definitely in a somewhat different world than 3 years ago, last time that we exhibited at SupplySide West. And so we're back with novel products, a novel image, and it's great to get a chance to share that. You know, your research was interesting. So we have a large staff that works on that. About 20% of our colleagues focus on R&D, and that's what you need to continue to sustain innovation to bring new products. And so the way we typically do is we combine process R&D to develop these new products, and then of course I would say the weight of the objectivation of the benefits. You know, we sell stuff that works, and so you need to have the burden of the proof strongly attached to what we do to make sure we have convincing evidence for our customers. We have a large staff working specifically on clinical trials to do that. It's a combination, and I have to say during COVID it was a little bit challenging to do clinical studies. We also expanded around the topic. I'll take an example with the BSC1, which is our spore former probiotics, a very stable product. Now, we wanted to complement the evidence that we had from a pre-existing clinical study. So we used actually a fairly innovative device, which is a gut on chip. So we work with an American startup biotech that had developed the ability to replicate the functioning of a specific organ on a chip, on a little device. And so you can evidence the benefit of your product testing on that device to replicate what happens in the human body, even if you're not doing a clinical study. So it's exciting. There's a lot of different ways to provide the proof that makes our customers comfortable. Yeah, K2 is still a hot category, and of course, with MenAQ7 being our leading brand in the market, we are very excited to continue investing. MenAQ7 is the most documented K2 with 22 clinical studies. Now, of course, the science of the benefit of K2 is great, but of course, it's also the question of how do you make sure that it works? What people buy is actually what they get. So you need stability for the product. You need to make it easy for our customers to formulate, go to the market faster, and then succeed. So today we're coming to the show with the Matrix technology. So we're launching MenAQ7 Matrix, which is a very stable form of K2 with clean label. We've managed to stabilize K2 without using any specific additive or crazy processing. Okay. Very clean, and that way we help our customers blend K2 with a lot of other constituents to offer more interesting formulation. Yeah, so folate's a fantastic category, and it's a way where we approach things a little bit differently, where we see the core of what we want to do is really market education and consumer education. Folate is the most bioavailable form of folic acid. A lot of people are sort of aware that folic acid. If you're pregnant or something, I need to do that. It so happens that in the population at large, somewhere between 25 and 35% of people cannot metabolize folic acid. So you take a supplement, you got zero benefit. So what folates, so folic acid is supposed to transform into folates in the body. And what we do is we provide directly the right folate form that is acceptable for everyone. So we try and educate the market to promote the use of a product that can then bring the benefit to every single consumer. Absolutely, yeah. So thank you for mentioning that. It's something that's very dear to us. So you see the little pin here. So we are sponsors of Vitamin Angels. It's an NGO we've been supporting for years that promotes the delivery of essentials vitamins to expecting mothers and children in developing countries. It's a very noble mission that I believe aligns well with what our industry does, and certainly what we do at Gnosis by Lesaffre. So yeah, we're happy to promote that, and it's a global view. Obviously, here we're in the US, but it's a way to look at global health, and we promote that. So it's very nice, and for people that are interested, they can find more information also on our website, gnosisbylesaffre.com, to know what we do with vitamin engines. So there's two things that I think are fairly distinctive. First, there's really in terms of how we do what we do, and the core of that is fermentation. Everything we do is based on fermentation, and so we work directly with microorganisms as a very natural origin to produce different types of solutions for our customers. The second aspect is what I call our 3S within the company, and it's science, service, and sustainability. And it's more about the how we do it. We provide science to our customers because we think science is still the number one way to differentiate in the market and to bring true value to consumers. Service is how we want to stay close to our customers to help them be successful in the market. It's not just the product, it's everything else around it. And then the last one is sustainability. We're not just a business agent. There's more to what we do. And that's something that's very prevalent in the way our colleagues work on an everyday basis. So yes. Science, service, sustainability, I think that sticks to us in a pretty good way.
This has been Jeannie Linky Northrup here at SupplySide West for Nutritional Outlook. Thanks all for watching.